Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate AI content from this AI website completely for free. This is one of my best AI website, and you can generate an AI picture. You can even use your image to convert it to a video, and you can actually monetize it. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the platform I've been using, and I will show you how to use it, how to generate the videos, and of course, how to monetize it. So this is going to be a good video. Kindly help me subscribe to the channel, like this video, and let's continue. But before then, let me show you just a 5 second of a video I just generated to show you. We are going to be generating a lot of beautiful videos like this. This video was just generated with just a picture. I just insert this picture here and it generates this wonderful video you are seeing here. I'm going to be showing you a lot of different templates that's going to help us. So now let's go. So I put the link in the video description for you. All you have to do is go there, click it, and it will bring you to this website. For me, I will just paste it. The name of the website is Higgsfield AI, and this particular version we are using is the Kling the 2.6 audio AI. All right, it's going to generate both the audio for that video you are generating. So I click on enter and it will take me directly to this interface. Now the first thing we need to do when we get to this interface is to sign up, and sign up is pretty simple. Like I said, it's completely for free. So just come here, click on sign up, and then you say sign up with Google account. You can sign up with email, but I always advise that you can sign up with your Google. So I can just click on continue with Google, and it can ask me which of the email I want. So I choose this second email here, and you can just choose any of the email. You can do this from your phone, you can do this from your laptop. So I click on continue, and then here we are in the interface of the Higgsfield Kling 2.6 audio AI. All right, so you can see that everything is here. It's very pretty simple. Just with one click you're already registered. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to explain the interface of the Higgs AI to you before we can now generate a video. All right, so let me just explain how it works, how you can generate your video and all of that before we can. But for then, let's continue. Who are you? I'm a creator. I click on creator, just me, and then you discover it on, of course you discover it on YouTube, and then discover it on YouTube. And then what I want to do is video creation, and I click on get started. So of course we are here again. Let's cancel this one for now. If you want to actually upgrade, you can upgrade, but for now let's just go. Now again, I want to show you how the interface looks like. So this is how the interface looks like, and all these formats here, they are the formats that you can actually use to create your video. So if you choose any of these formats, you can actually generate a video that looks exactly like this. Don't worry, we're going to be coming there so shortly. So but before then, let me come to explore is what we are seeing here. The next one is image. All right, so you can generate an image from scratch, an AI image from scratch. You can see here, all you have to do is just put a prompt. All right, and then you can create a storyboard, and then all these things are things you can do for all of them. But the most important thing here is the creating of email and the storyboard, sorry, the image rather, and the storyboard. And then of course you can enhance your image. If your image is looking blurry, you can bring it here, upscale it, and all of that. There are a lot of things you can actually use here, but this is not one. The image is not really our concern. I want to teach you how to generate the video. So we go to the video, and you can see you can create a video, you can edit a video. This is the video aspect is what interests me the most. Right, you can create a video from scratch using an AI. You can edit a video. Let's say you have 1 or 2 videos, or you have 1 or 2 images. You can bring them here and generate a video and edit it with the audio and all of that. All right, so that is it. And then you can stretch to video. There are a lot of things you can adjust. You can upscale a video also, making a video look more beautiful. All right, and then of course you can see that we have the models that are integrated here, other AIs that are integrated here. We have Sora. Of course, you know Sora is so good. All right, we also have Google View 3.1. You know all of this. Kling 2.6, which is one of my best, and all of this. We have a lot of them here. All right, so if you can come here to edit, you can see that you can bring in a video to edit as well. Nano Banana is also integrated here for you to use completely for free. All right, you can come here, you see the characters. You can choose some of these characters here. Come here to assist, which is the AI. AI can assist you to do a lot of things. As some apps are here, you can join the community and a whole lot of all these things. All right, so this is your account. You can come here, click here, and you can view your profile and see how it looks and how many points you have to generate a video per day. All right, now let's go to the third phase, which is actually generating a video. So to generate a video, we come to video, and then we come to video, click on it like this, and then we click on create a video. That is create video, and then you can see that this is the interface that shows us here. So you can see that I still have up to 6 points after generating some videos, right? So Kling 2.6 Turbo is good. All right, these are the 3 short steps in order to create your video. You add your image, you choose whatever the preset you want, and then you get your video ready. So now let's do that. Now what you need to do again is, I say you can come to here. This is where you choose your template. All right, but the very first thing I want you to do is I want you to put in a prompt. All right, I want you to put in a prompt. So to put in a prompt, I will just quickly go back to ChatGPT. Please, if you know how to use ChatGPT so well, you can just come here and ask ChatGPT. Like I do say, I say what I just put on the AI here was that I want it to generate an idea of a particular thing. So just put in the idea, the AI will generate a prompt, something like this for you. And then how you have to do is highlight it and copy it. Just say the AI generates me a prompt for so thing, whatever you want to do. It generates the prompt for you, and then you take it back to the Higgsfield AI. Like other here, you see prompt here. I can now put my prompt here. This is the exact prompt of the video you saw. All right. So here I will now choose. I can change all of this by clicking here, and then when I click here, I will now choose the right precept. All right, so if I choose any of these, look at all the precepts that are available. A lot of them. So you can see here, let's say I like this one here. Let's say I like this one that carries fire. I'll click on it. All right, this is the one we choose. We just choose it, and then we come here. There is a place here where you can actually bring in your photo. So this one here is the start frame. So I can click on start frame, and then it brings me to my video where I'm going to choose my image. So let me just choose some random image. I will still choose the same image that I used the other time, so that for clarity purposes. All right, so let me just scroll down, and let's say I like this image here. All right, so let me just choose this one for example, and then the image is loading. So you have to allow it to load. Depending on the size, it's going to take some time, right? So let's just allow it. The image is here. We have choose a preset, and then let's scroll down again, and then you can see that this Kling 2.5 Turbo is here. Let's click here, and you can see other things. You can add sound, you can add everything. Now, Higgsfield also offer unlimited audio generation. You can generate audio unlimited. Now, this video, I want you to pause. If you want to create a lot of many videos a day, you can actually subscribe to their plan. All right, if you come to pricing, I'll show you that shortly. But I'll just want to let you know that you can generate audio, unlimited audio, unlimited images, unlimited videos every single day. This is one of the best platforms. A lot of creators are using it. I'm using it, and other people are using it. It's just for you to just stick with it and see how it looks. So I just selected. You can just click here. You can see the other models are here. You want it on Veo 3. Veo, of course, you know that Google Veo is good. You want it on Sora is good. Kling is good, but I like their own product. Kling is actually good, so I leave it by Kling 2.5 Turbo. And then the resolution at 1080p is good, so I just leave it. This here would allow us to use 10 seconds. You have to use 5 seconds. For the purpose of this class, I don't want to use 10 seconds, so it no elongates the video. So let me leave it at 5, and then everything is set. I can now click on generate, and then it's going to generate the video. All right, so when I click on generate, the art means that the end frame required. So I have not actually set up this end frame. All right, so let me click on this end frame. You can see that AI is actually helping us. All right, so let me choose another picture, and they want us to bring in more pictures, right, so that the video will actually look good. You will actually like this outcome of this video. So let me choose this image here. And the image is still the same lady, a very good friend. And then I click on generate, and then of course it's showing me that here, no, we don't want. Like I was telling you, if you want to actually upgrade to their unlimited plan, these are the plans. Very simple, and you can have a lot of credits to actually generate multiple images, multiple videos, multiple audios every single day. It's actually a good platform I can recommend. So for now, it's just a testing. We'll just click on it, and then let's go. All right, so let's generate another video. So to generate another video, we still paste another prompting here, another prompting, almost the same prompting. And then we can see that here, let's just choose another image, click on here, and then let's choose another image. Let's choose another image like this. Let me bring in a different image and generate same content. All right, so let me choose this one here. And the image is going to be coming here. Then what is the end frame? Let me choose the end frame here and choose a different picture as well. Of course, remember this is a second video for that. So the other first one is still reading. I'm going to show you at the end of this video when it gets generated. So see, this is here. So we can now come here. I choose this one. So let me choose another precept. So let's say I like this one like this. Okay, I like this one, and then click on generate. So it's going to start generating. All right, so let's give it some time and then it will generate. I'm going to be showing you the two videos at the end of this this exercise. All right, so it's currently generating, showing me on queue. So it's not going to take time, and then before you realize, it's going to generate the video for me in progress. So let's allow it to finish, and of course we'll now end and I will show you how the video looks, the two of them. All right. All right, so the video is ready, and then let me play it. All right, of course you can see very pretty simple. You can see how beautiful this video looks just with two pictures, and boom, we're already having this. So you keep doing keep generating videos like this, combine them together, and then you have to now try to monetize them. The other video is still generating because we use a different email, and after that I'll just put the video at the end of this video for that you see how the outcome of the other one. Now, once you want to monetize your skill, the first thing you need to do is that you can create a WhatsApp channel to monetize it, or you can post it on Instagram, you can post it on YouTube, you can post it on TikTok, Facebook, and any platform that you can join. So you can actually create a platform create pages in all these platforms, start posting your videos every single day, and they pay. YouTube itself pays for all these kind of videos very well. They call them faceless videos, so it will pay. If you want me to teach you that method, kindly tell me in the comment section, and I'm going to show you how to monetize this step by step. For now, we are done. Please kindly help me subscribe to the channel, like this video, and if you like this product, you like their website, you like what they are doing, you want to generate longer videos, you can actually access their pricing plan here and then purchase something for yourself. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.